the next woman was even more foolish for bringing her child along to rob a bank.
Let go of the child.
Assault.
You're about to get tased.
Stop being racist. Even if you would have killed me and tried to hit me, you wouldn't make another world. Because you guys not me.
Are you pregnant or not?
How do I know?
On February 24th, 2024, police received a report about a masked woman causing a disturbance at a bank. But upon the officers' arrival, they quickly realized things were far from simple.
What's up?
What's your name?
I'm Officer Prince from the police department. What's going on?
Hey.
You can back up for me. Back up. What's going on today?
Okay. So he made a scene. I don't know what he went to.
She wanted information of the facility, want to walk through, and they told her, no, we can't do that. We can't give out information.
No. The first thing I requested was proper funding. That's the first thing I requested. Then
Proper funding for what? What are you talking about?
Are you questioning me about my account or my life?
I'm asking you what it is. You need to back up from me and stop walking towards me.
No. Why are you here?
What do you mean, why am I here?
Why are you here?
Because I got a call here and I'm a police officer.
What's your call here?
Ma'am, what do you guys need? You guys want off property?
Yes, please.
Quickly. You need to leave the property.
Quickly.
You need to leave the property.
Ban me.
You need to leave the property.
Get your daughter and leave, ma'am.
Ban me, please.
Ma'am, you need to leave the property.
I can't leave without the paperwork.
You're gonna leave the property. You're gonna go to jail. So I'm telling you right now to leave the property.
My car is right there.
Then go that way to your vehicle and leave the property.
Thank you. You're fired.
Go to that property. Go to your vehicle and leave the property. Okay.
You're terminated.
Yes, ma'am.
Leave the property. If I have to say it one more time, you're gonna go in handcuffs and go to jail. Leave the property. Leave the property. If you do not leave right now, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs and take you to jail.
I'm not afraid of jail.
Ma'am, go.
I'm not afraid.
When officers asked for her identification, she refused to cooperate and tried to walk toward her car. And what she did next only made the situation even worse.
Your last name.
Don't touch me.
You're not getting the vehicle right now. You're gonna give me your first and last name.
I have to get it.
You're gonna give me your first and last name. Ma'am, give me your information now.
Okay, back up.
Ma'am.
Don't touch my car.
Give me your information now.
You gonna snatch my keys?
Yes, I am. You're about to get out of the car now.
You just told me to go in the car.
Well, and no. I've told you too many times. Give me your identification now. Give me your identification. According to you, give me this one.
She's good.
Ma'am.
No.
Give me your identification.
You scaring her.
No, you're scaring her. Is what the problem is.
You're too loud.
Ma'am, what is your first and last name?
You're too loud. Where's your lieutenant?
What is your first and last name?
Where's your lieutenant?
Ma'am, give me your first and last name. Right now.
Lieutenant, you're scaring me.
Ma'am.
I can't give you my
Alright, let go of the child. Ma'am, let go of the child. Now.
Please don't touch me.
Ma'am, you need to let go of the child.
Don't touch me.
Let go of the child.
Don't touch me.
Using her child as a shield is disgusting. Police had to struggle with the woman to protect her child.
Assault.
Let go of the child. Ma'am, if I have to tell you again, I'm going to tase you. Let go of the child right now.
That's assault.
Let go.
Give me
I'm
gonna hold your daughter.
Get off of her now. Ma'am, you are hurting that child and I'm about to respond.
Get off of me.
Is that your child?
Yes.
You need to let go of her right now.
But you're hurting
Let go of her.
You're hurting me.
Let go of the child now. Let go of the child. I'm not probably choking her.
No, I'm not.
You were choking her. Turn over and get on your stomach right now. Get on your stomach right now. You better stop reaching for that knife. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Put your hands behind your back.
Assault.
Turn over. Why are you doing this? Turn over on your back right now. You're gonna get tased. You are about to get tased.
Turn your camera on.
It's on. Turn over right now. You are about to get tased. Turn over on your back right now. Turn over right now. All right, then we can sit here until I get another unit. Then. Sitting there choking a child in the parking lot like a fool. You did.
I was hugging her. Get your hands off me.
You're going to jail. Acting like a damn fool out here.
I didn't do anything.
You're about to get tased.
Stop being racist.
You're gonna get tased. Turn over right now before you get tased. Turn over right now or you're gonna get tased. Let go of my handcuffs.
You put it on me.
Let go of my handcuffs right now. You're about to get tased. If you're not on your back,
you're hurting me.
Ma'am, you're gonna get tased. Let go of my handcuffs.
I haven't. You're hurting me, please.
Turn over right now.
I have a lawsuit, please.
Turn over.
You're hurting me.
Turn over.
You're hurting me. I have a lawsuit.
Turn over.
You're hurting me.
You're making it worse.
You're hurting me. I have a lawsuit.
Okay. Well, then you can sit there until somebody else gets you.
Get my phone. Get my phone, please. Get my phone. Get off of me.
No, absolutely not.
Get off
You're
of me.
going to jail.
I don't care. I'm not running. Please let me stand up. I'm not running. You can take me to jail. Get off of me. You can take me to jail. Please get off of me.
Just get her legs and flip her. I got one set on. Yep.
You don't have to do it like that. I can get up. It's okay, Mariah.
Chin on your back.
All of you lost your job.
Put your hand behind your back.
0927.
Put your hand behind your back.
I need an ambulance.
Yeah, one's on the way.
I need an ambulance. I need medical attention. Get off of me. You didn't have to.
To me,
Y'all gonna.
Sergeant and EMS for you.
Get off of me. I didn't run. Why y'all holding me? Why you? What knife?
I tossed it over there.
I didn't hurt nobody. I had it on me.
daughter, y'all, and
Yeah.
it was good. I got it out.
Mariah, tell everything you saw, okay?
She started choking the kid.
Mariah, did I choke
She
you?
started choking the kid.
Tell the truth. Did mama choke you? In front of the camera. Thank you.
We'll get it figured out, okay?
All right.
Stay seated.
No, get off of me. Get off of me. I'm not gonna start. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. All right? I'm gonna tell. I'm gonna tell on y'all. Every last one of y'all. A-Pain, South, Trust, coming in.
Get in the car. You take medication for anything?
South, Trust, coming in. All I requested, you heard me. All I requested was for to speak to the bank and see the records. That's it. I'm gone.
All right, get in the car.
Thank you.
This woman made a whole sitcom by herself. She played all the characters, rambling and talking nonsense.
Okay, I'll let you talk.
Can I
to her,
speak to
too.
the lieutenant?
She's here right now.
Can you let her call somebody on her phone?
I don't have nobody to call for.
You're the dad or a friend or anyone?
Can you unlock the phone for her so she can call somebody?
Okay, if you can put your foot back in.
And you guys need a warrant for that phone. So you took. Okay. Can I talk to my daughter?
Not right now. If I can get your foot in. Please put your foot in. Foot in. In a second. Put your foot in.
Yeah.
Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
You okay? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You'll be okay. Do you have your mom? Is that your mommy? Yes.
So do
Do you have somebody that can come get you?
or something?
Yes, probably my auntie or I don't know, my dad. I don't know.
You don't know?
Probably my dad.
Okay, so do you know your dad's number?
Yeah, if I could just get a witness report from you.
Do you know your dad's name?
What you saw and everything.
Ibrahim Davis.
You guys.
Young lady, is your neck okay?
Yes.